Hey, Ed Kirby here from Orchard Hill Farm Equipment. I'm here to tell you about the new CK2610 HST tractor loader. This tractor is pretty unbelievable. You've got a quick attach 66-inch bucket with a lift capacity that is unsurpassed on the market. Quick attach, just pull a lever on each side, this bucket comes right off. All your grease fittings on this tractor are greased through the pin like industrial equipment, not on the top like most other manufacturers. Comes with a grill guard, 2 pins. This grill guard comes off the tractor. You're able to open your hood. Goes forward, you have a hood latch, very easy and accessible. Tractor opens right up. Everything is screened all the way around for your mowing needs to keep the trash out of the engine compartment. This has a large Donaldson air filter. We use an interstate battery, which is a very great cranking amp battery. Has an oil cooler here. These screens inside are removable to clean. Also, you have a 7/8 cast steel front end with a tucked away steering system, so nothing is getting dragged through the woods like other manufacturers. No tie rods to be broken. Your main frame is easily accessible as far as your oil change goes. Here's your oil filter right here. Just above it, your fuel filter. You have a water drain in the bottom of your fuel filter. Not just any fuel filter, it's a top of the line with a pressure unit here that you can pump up once you fill this fuel filter. So you'll be able to bleed that system very easily. Oil check right here. Dual hydraulic pump system right here. This tractor here has a quick detach loader. 1 pin on each side. You pull this pin right here with stands that drop down. This stand right here will go down. You grab a hold of it, goes down just like that. Then pull this pin. Use your loader control lever here to raise it up. Raise it up 6 inches, uncouple it. It will freestand by itself. This tractor is really, it's designed very nicely. We have independent forward and reverse hydrostatic pedals on this tractor. This tractor also has a hand throttle and a hand throttle here, preheat and key switch start here. On this tractor, as we go back on this side, you have 3-point hitch up and down here, but we installed a dual hydraulic valve. Unlike any other manufacturer, you get one hydraulic valve sometimes, or they Mickey Mouse plumb it in to the tractor to run their backhoe. This we installed dual hydraulic valve, one for your backhoe to run the backhoe, and then on the other lever you can plumb for hydraulics or hydraulic snowplow on the front. So you've got the options really opened up on the side of this tractor. As we go back here, you can see your multiple hydraulic ports. Right here we have the extra ports that are not being used. And these are your backhoe ports right here, which are going to run your backhoe. Category 1 3-point hitch with adjustable links. Everything is marked on this tractor to check your hydraulic oil. It's all very accessible. This is a cast steel mainframe tractor again, as I said before, which is very heavy. Nothing Mickey Mouse like the competitors. No aluminum, cast aluminum, or old Schaefer beer cans. This is the real deal. This right here is where you slide in. Your frame will go in right here to hold your backhoe. It slides right into that frame there. And there's a frame in the front here, if we walk around, that it slides right into. Right here, that part right there slides right into here to put that backhoe on. There's only 2 pins that are going to hold this backhoe. Once this frame is on the tractor, this pin will lock in right there to hold that frame from coming back. Very easy to install on and off, and you can jump into a brush mower or any other attachment, so it's really easy. This fuel tank right here, they put the fuel tank in the back to keep debris out of the engine compartment. Another great idea by Kioti. It's a poly tank. You'll have more than enough fuel for a day and a half of running, absolutely. You have a roll bar that is foldable here to get under trees or older barns, which is really nice. As we go back on this backhoe, the backhoe is designed very well. When the outriggers are up, to take some pressure off of it, you have a grab hook that hooks on here just to relax the hydraulics. When the backhoe is up, you also have a grab lock right here that'll lock in, hold that backhoe tight when you're doing your heavy loader work. That way you're not putting stress on the hydraulics. 2 levers for your outriggers here, 2 other controls for everything else on the backhoe. This backhoe is a curved boom, very, very nicely set up on your, also you'll look here, braided lines for the stuff that gets close to the ground. All these lines on this tractor are triple braided, but this is just a little extra for banging into trees and whatnot. You've got an 18-inch bucket here that we sell with this tractor. It digs down 7.5 feet plus the bucket. It's a really nice package. This tractor here is industrial tires. You've got marker lights on this side as well as running lights. A grab handle to get on. You have your PTO. Mechanical, simple, no electrics on this baby. On and off, simple. Right here you have a high, medium, and low range. You'll allow to set your throttle where you want it, run your high, medium, and low wherever you want. If you're going to zip down the street to go to the package store, you're going high. If you're going to be working in the yard, you're going to be low or medium. This has a differential lock for your heel right here. This has a 2- and 4-wheel drive lever. Notice these are all mechanical levers. These are not electric switches. This right here, flow control for your 3-point hitch, fast and slow. How fast your 3-point hitch will go up and down. They've taken the metal out underneath the seat, and it is a good reason for this. One, to keep the mice out of this area, and two, you'll be able to wash this area out with a garden hose. The seat has an easy track system to go back and forth. Also, the seat has a control for light and heavy guys. I mean, this control really helps your back out as we get older. I found out in the past that my back is not like it used to be. So that adjustment is really critical when you're operating this tractor. Also on lower here on the floorboard, for the brake, as we push on this brake, we have a lock right here to lock the brake on this tractor. All metal floorboard, all metal, no plastic, a good step to jump on. I mean, it's a rugged little unit. As we come back along the tractor here, our charging systems here are underslung exhaust on this tractor. So we have the exhaust going out off to the left of us. Really, this tractor with this system is a great unit. On hydrostatic power steering, you will turn this tractor with one finger, or if you take that pencil out of your ear with a load in the bucket, you can turn it without breaking the pencil. No other manufacturer is going to offer something like this tractor here. And as we go around, we've got a hydraulic pushing cylinder. Operate your loader, around front hood. Flip the hood, go back up with this. This is locked in. Also on your back tires here, you have a rim guard right here. And when you're in the woods, so you're not going to break off this valve stem. Just a little extra something they put into it. As far as that goes, you've got your hydraulic filter underneath this tractor, very accessible right there. You've also got another hydraulic filter on the other side. This tractor has 2 hydraulic filters. Unlike other manufacturers who run 1, Kioti double filters everything. Counts as 0 warranties on this hydro unit. It's a really proven tractor. I don't know what more I can say.